Hello everyone, this is Henrique Ruska from It's for Company. So I'm gonna be showing you today how to send different messages or announcements throughout different channels in the It's for application. So first of all, you need to go into the website web.its4.com, fill in your login and password or your email and password, whichever way. And once you log in, you have this dashboard. Now remember, you need to have special types of permissions to be able to send announcements throughout your whole school or community. So you need to speak to a X4 representative so you can get set up for you. Over here on the corner, you can see people, so you can start selecting people to send a message to. So over here on people, you're able to change. If you have a chain of schools, you're able to change your school over here. Usually you're gonna only have one. And over here on the corner, you can see the different kinds of groups of people that you can access. So on tag groups, you can see all the groups that have been defined by you. So you can see everyone who has been defined as adolescent expert or arts degree. And then you can select, you can click on this little square, and you can select a whole group, or you can also select people individually. Once you select people individually or through a group, you are able to send an announcement. Another type of group is profile groups. So basically, any profile like a guardian, maybe a parent, a student, a professor in the school, they're all separated over here by classes. So for example, I want to send a message to all guardians of the graduation program. So once you select a group or people individually, you will get some actions down here that you can do with them. So let's send them an announcement. Click here, you get this nice little form. You can, to make it look more appealing for your public, you can select an image, you can add your own logo, or you can use some predefined images that we provide in the company. So let's add this one. Let's give them a title. Hello everyone. Here you can also, it's another way of selecting the groups. You can see everything here, all the individual people you chose, all the groups you chose, by tags, by profiles. You can also edit them here as well. You can define managers for this announcement, so the managers will be able to follow up with the statistics, whoever replied to an announcement, whoever read, how are the comments, how is the interaction of all the users on it. And also very important, you can add attachments. So if you want to add a file, or you can define replies to this announcement. So instead of yes and no, I want people to be able to reply, I will attend, and I will not attend. I will not attend. Let me edit this one. I want to make it refuse. I will not attend. Refuse. So you click on next, and you get a preview of what you're sending to your audience. So over here, you can see all the groups and users you're gonna send to. So I have this group that I'm sending to, and it has a total of 6 recipients. And here I can select to send emails. So I want to reach everyone via email. You can manually select SMS messaging. So people with a telephone registered will receive a text message. So you see how it's the total is 5 total emails, but 4 total text messages. Probably 2 users over here do not have the phone number registered on the system, and here only 5 people have the email, so the system automatically calculates whoever you have the information off. So every time you turn on one of these channels, you start getting the previews. So you see I turned off email. If I turn on email, I get a preview of how the email is gonna look like. If I turn on SMS messaging, I get a preview here of how the SMS message looks like, and I can edit as well. I have a little pencil over here and I can edit. If, for example, text messages have a character limit of 160, so if you end up getting another text bubble, you can remove it because you don't want to spend extra credits. Each message you send counts as 1 credit. If you turn on voice and you scroll down a little, you will be able to select between 2 robot voices, 1 male, 1 female, or record the audio yourself. So you will receive a prompt to allow to use your microphone. You allow it, and then you start recording over here. Hello everyone, this is example phone call from It's For Company. And then once it is uploaded, you can play it back, recording over here. Hello everyone, this is example phone call from It's For Company. And then you're ready to go. You can also link your social networks. So if you click on login, Facebook or Twitter, and you have a business account connected to your profile, you will get a prompt to log in with Facebook, and then you can select one of your pages that you manage. Over here on email, you have the option to define a reply to email in case people select reply to, so you can give your school email. And you have also set up voice SMS white label. What does that mean? If you click over here, you can input one of your phone numbers of your school or your community, and then it will call this phone number and request you to input a code. Once you dial that code, then it sets up your caller ID, and that means that whoever gets the automated phone call will actually see the number of your school or community instead of seeing a random robot number. So once everything is set, you can click on publish, and it will be sent to everyone who is registered over here on the total recipients.